Good afternoon, family and friendsies. How are y'all today? I am out with the hubby. We are on our way to dinner. Hey, hubby.
Hi.
Oh my goodness. Anyway.
What?
I
said hi.
Your faces.
Hi. How you doing?
Okay. All right. Anyway.
Fellas, don't you hate that? They always correct you. You can't be right. Smile. Take a picture. Smile.
Yeah, because you said hi. You was like, hi.
This is my face. This is how I talk. Hi. Look, I'm going to be real. I ain't going to be fake.
Oh my goodness.
Hi, how you doing?
Anyway, guys.
Welcome to my channel. And hello.
You know what?
And we're out today.
Anyway.
Plus, I'm watching the game.
Yeah, so, yeah, guys, we are on our way out because tomorrow is the hubby's birthday.
50 plus 2.
Yeah, the big 5-2. 52 blessed years, right?
Yeah. I ain't complaining about none of them. I had a few hiccups along the way, but I ain't gonna complain about them.
Every birthday is a blessed day. Every day is a blessed day. So, yeah, y'all, we are on our way out to Maggiano, as Sean say. It's an Italian restaurant in Orlando. It's gonna be our first time going there, but apparently Sean went there years ago, but he don't remember.
I sure don't.
But
I don't remember at all.
yeah, I never been to Maggiano's. I actually never even heard of Maggiano's. We was just looking for an authentic Italian restaurant because that's what he wanted for his birthday dinner.
I usually like steak and potatoes, and I said, let me change up this year. I'll try something different.
Yeah, he always likes steak, potato, broccoli. That's his meal.
Yeah, give me a steak, baked potato, a loaded baked potato, no sour cream, just butter. Broccoli, I prefer it roasted, but steam is okay.
Me, I take a little bit of everything, but you know, I think I'll take some seafood. You know,
a little side salad.
But yeah, so we are on our way. Traffic as usual, which we knew. We were coming into a lot of traffic down here. Everybody talk about the traffic all the time, y'all. It doesn't matter what day it is. Sunday through Saturday, traffic every day, y'all. Every day.
I learned since I've been down here that where we particularly live at is one way in and one way out.
Yeah.
So everybody uses this route. So it's an adjustment.
It's different.
I don't have no back streets to fly down. I usually find me a back street, but there's no such a thing down here.
No back streets.
Yeah, ain't no back
They
streets.
probably have some back streets that we just didn't discover yet. No?
The back streets run you right into a lake or something, or a dead end.
He's usually good with finding all the shortcuts and the back roads, y'all. He's good like that. But yeah, y'all, so we're gonna head on down here to this restaurant. We are actually a little late, but I already called them and told them that we're gonna be a little late, and it's fine. So we're just gonna be about 10 minutes late or whatever. But yeah, so once we get there, I'm gonna show y'all the menu and I'm gonna show y'all what we got. All right, see y'all in a minute.
Hey, it's been a while since we did things.
Yeah, it's been a while. So we made it to Maggiano's, guys. I can't tell you that I love the vibe of this restaurant. It kind of feels like you're in someone's home. Okay, guys, so we can tell you that the food is definitely very hearty and wholesome. And we have like 2 different types of breads as appetizers. So, of course, we can't sit here and eat all the appetizers before our food comes. We won't be able to eat our food. We'll be so full. So, we know we'll be bringing some of this home. So, right now, trying some of the garlic bread. And like I said, this is the zucchini fritters. And we also, and we also had regular rolls as well. So I don't want to, because I want to be able to enjoy my food as well. So we're going to pack this up and bring it home so that we can save room for our main course. So when the food get here, I'm going to show you guys exactly what it looks like. And I know it's going to be good because so far the food is really, really good. And this marinara sauce, guys, this marinara sauce that they gave us, it is delicious. Absolutely delicious. So for a first time visitor here at Maggiano's restaurant, definitely happy. Sean's happy too, but so far so good. You like it, right? Okay, so I guess this smile says it all. Okay guys, so our food just came to the table. I actually have the salmon with lobster cream sauce. And this looks like some type of salsa on top. It looks really, really good. Then I have some garlic mashed potatoes over here. This is actually a lot, so Sean and I will share this, and we'll most likely be bringing some of this home. And Sean has a rigatoni pasta dish with grilled chicken. And what else is in it?
Cream sauce.
Grilled chicken rigatoni with cream. This is like a spicy tomato cream sauce. And it has spinach in there as well. So what you think? Good?
No, it's not spicy.
It's not as spicy as you thought? Oh, okay. Okay guys, so I'm gonna have our dinner. We are done with dinner and we are full. The food was absolutely delicious, but I wanted to come on here so I could show you guys exactly what it looked like on the inside of this restaurant. Okay, so we're walking back to the parking lot now, but this is pretty much where the dining room is. It looks really, really cute inside. Nice and homey looking. Alright y'all, so we are headed back home now. I'll talk to y'all when we get in the car. I've been up, throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. I can put you in. I've been up, throw up the sex in her. Alright, family and friendies, we are headed back home. Like I said, food was absolutely amazing. And the birthday guy enjoyed himself as well. So he said he got the itis, y'all. We both got the itis because they definitely give you a lot of food We're bringing home a lot of food. And guess what? We had the best waiter ever all night. He was so nice. He checked on us multiple times. He was just absolutely amazing. He knew the menu very well. He knew exactly what to offer. I pretty much told him that I knew I wanted a glass of wine tonight, but I'm not a big time wine drinker, but when I do drink wine, I like sweet red wine. So he knew exactly what type to give me. It was just amazing. It was really, really nice. And he knew that tomorrow was Sean's birthday. So this guy, at the end of the night, he came and brought us like 3 different trays of entrees, y'all. He gave us like a tray of ziti.
Those was meals.
Those was whole meals?
He gave us ziti. He gave us some spaghetti. He gave us a couple of more
I think
things.
he said lasagna. It was like 3 different trays,
lasagna,
right?
Yeah.
So, y'all, pretty much we have dinner for tomorrow. Pretty much. We have dinner for tomorrow and we have enough to share with the whole family. So he was just absolutely awesome. So, you know, we definitely tipped him well. So we are actually on our way home for the night. We're tired. Yeah, so we're going to just chill for the rest of the night. And I would like to thank you all for joining us on our pre-birthday date night dinner.
Yeah, something like that. We ain't talk that much because we greedy people.
Oh my goodness.
You know how it goes.
So anyway, thank you guys so much for joining us tonight. We hope you guys have a good evening.